So, like y'all gonna see this video. I didn't really see anything interesting at the auction to record like that. Like everything was just like the common car that you see all the time. So this video, y'all just gonna see dirt bike, a motorcycle, and like a lawnmower. So like I said, you gonna hear it again in this video. Just let me know in the comments below if y'all guys want to see more of this stuff. Like if y'all want to see like what this stuff goes for at the auction. I can do a video on that. But yeah, so just let me know. So let's get to it.
It's time for tank up. Turn around on the other side here. Computer comes in. A 17 model. We don't guarantee nothing. We ain't gonna guarantee it's a motorcycle. $5,000. Three, four, three. 276 is in. Heavy red light, that says. Computer calls it 13. You call it whatever you want. $8,000. Computer says possible mileage discrepancy. Just read what it says. $2,000. 3. Oh, $2,000. 6,900. Now for about now to 4,600. 46,48. Now 5,000.
So, you know, the dirt bike sold for $3,100, the Harley Davidson sold for $5,000. Let me know in the comments below if y'all think that's a good deal. And also let me know in the comments below if y'all guys want me to record more ATVs, dirt bikes.
We don't guarantee nothing. $4,000. $2,000 bill, $11.
And also, once again, thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't already, you know, like the video, just subscribe to the channel, drop your comments, and if it's any specific vehicles that y'all guys want to see at the auction, you know, just let me know. Just let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best when I make another auction video. You know, I'll make sure to look for that. You know, I try to be recording different stuff. I don't try to always just record cars. You know, I like to record like when I see a semi going through, or when I see like buses, or you know, anything that's just not on the regular vehicle that you're always going to see. But if it's just any specific vehicle that y'all guys want to see or have in mind y'all want to see, just let me know in the comments below and I will get that taken care of. But once again, you know, if you haven't already, you know, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.